A dedicated member of the Citizen Coalition for Change, Triple C, in Wulilima district, is fighting for his life and his leg due to a lack of funding for necessary surgery. Sanabila mashoko aonekwa kunzi aiwa there is Triple C member panguva ino ari panguva yakaoma vanoona kuti aiwa kushimuka kuri kuita mari anogona kuluza aiwa gumbo rake kana kuti upenyu hwake zvachose. Sanabila mashoko amudanyiko panapa ndobva subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tikina mzimu ai vanguda chiposta mapictures amuri kuna video vobudanyira achiti ungani kupe affectionately known as Peri Wekumbo Golo was a prominent campaign champion for Triple C during the recent 2023 harmonized elections, fervently supporting Senator Solani Moyo and parliamentary candidate Berizela Maplanga. Following a severe road traffic accident, Kupe urgently requires $3,000 to undergo a second surgery after complications arose from the first procedure. Despite Kupe's tireless efforts in favor of the Triple C, the party's support has been wholly inadequate since the elections, during which Moyo was elected senator while Maplanga lost his seat to Digimozi Kuti. In the 6 months since the accident, fundraising initiatives have only managed to collect a meager $500, leaving Kupe in a desperate situation. His relative, Kuzanai Kupe, expressed profound disappointment in the party's lack of support. We have a WhatsApp group for donations, yet only $500 has been raised in over 6 months. What hurts the most is that party officials, including elected ones, have not contributed a single cent. Kudzani lamented. Tomashuka nobuda chitoko panapa tiona kuti aiwa this Triple C member anoonekwa kunzi aiwa akaita tsaona achionekwa kuti aiwa akatora ipi for tauro yekuita kuti aiwa vakomana avo aiwa vave appointed pamaparliamentary seats avo akuona kuti aiwa ava disappointed achiona kuti only $500 was only raised in 6 months. Tudze mafunguro enyu matikudei pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nako section medu, so subscribe or like to turn the bell icon.